Innodisk's camera modules optimize image quality for AI applications, providing a comprehensive selection of resolution and speed options for the full spectrum of high-speed and high-resolution industrial embedded system applications. Innodisk's camera series solves the most pressing imaging challenges in industrial applications, namely the image distortion that happens when using a wide FOV or capturing fast-moving objects. This presentation covers the main benefits and features of the Innodisk camera series, contrasts the different interfaces, highlights the advantages of Innodisk's camera modules, and rounds off with an overview of available camera modules. Innodisk camera solutions support lenses with a wide choice of FOV. Field of view, in simple terms, describes how wide an area is captured through the lens. A narrow FOV is ideal for high-resolution images of a small target area at close range with minimal distortion at the edges. A wider FOV captures a much larger area, even at close range, but with distortion at the edges that becomes more pronounced as the FOV goes wider. With Innodisk's camera solution, a range of lens options are available to provide the perfect balance between pinpoint accuracy and wide image capture. Innodisk camera modules support lenses with various f-value options. Lens aperture, indicated by the f-value, denotes the light-gathering ability of the optical system, with lower numbers letting in more light and higher numbers less. Selecting a lens with the correct f-value ensures that the optimal amount of light enters the system. Too little light leads to underexposure, where the image appears too dark, and too much light leads to overexposure, where the image appears too bright. In both cases, the detail in the image is degraded to such a degree that analysis of the image becomes difficult to impossible. Innodisk's camera solutions have lens options with a range of f-values from 1.0 to 2.4. Innodisk MIPI interface cameras provide the high bandwidth to transmit high-quality, uncompressed images with low latency, which is crucial for highly accurate AI applications. The Innodisk engineering team can also provide customized camera firmware to fit particular use cases and achieve the best balance of quality and speed. Innodisk camera modules solve two image distortion issues with two distinctive features: global shutter and fisheye dewarping. Global shutter ensures distortion-free high-speed image capture. Rolling shutters, the most common type of CMOS sensor, capture each image pixel in sequence. This results in a warped image when capturing fast-moving objects because the object has moved by the time the subsequent pixel is captured. For example, a fan moves fast enough that the position of the blades moves significantly between each pixel capture, resulting in a distorted image. The global shutter in the Innodisk camera eliminates this drawback by capturing every pixel on the CMOS array simultaneously, resulting in an accurate representation of even fast-moving objects at a single moment in time. Fisheye dewarping fixes the strange shapes in wide FOV images. Wide FOV lenses are helpful for capturing a wide area, but the resulting image often ends up with a strange, distorted look. Innodisk camera modules take the raw circle-shaped wide-angle image and turn it into a usable normal POV or 180-degree image suitable for processing and analysis in AI applications. MIPI cameras provide superior bandwidth to capture and transfer high-resolution image data over short distances through the MIPI interface. Unlike USB, however, MIPI is not a plug-and-play connection standard, so customized drivers are needed for different platforms. Innodisk's cameras with MIPI camera and onboard image signal processor (ISP) include drivers for a number of popular hardware platforms, with others under development or by request. The various camera interfaces bring different features to the table. Starting with the slowest, USB 2 provides a limited bandwidth connection that is highly compatible with almost any system, and although its 5-meter maximum cable length is a plus, even a low-res 2-megapixel can only handle 5 frames per second. USB goes up to 3 meters and provides much better bandwidth with 2 megapixel at 60 frames per second or 5 megapixel at 30 frames per second. MIPI CSI2 uses a different interface with much higher bandwidth with 2 megapixel at 120 frames per second, 5 megapixel at 60 frames per second, or 8 megapixel at 30 frames per second at a distance of up to half a meter, providing the resolution needed for best-in-class edge-based AI analysis. Finally, SerDes enables the MIPI connection to be extended to up to 15 meters, suitable for vehicle applications. So why choose an Innodisk camera module? Innodisk camera modules are designed to include the lens, sensor, and ISP in a single camera module for a simplified setup process, not to mention we provide MIPI driver development and customized services upon request. As with Innodisk's other products, we pride ourselves on reliability, with long life, test reports, and image quality reports with lab and outdoor verification, so you don't just have to take our word for it. Manufacturing is done at our own Innodisk manufacturing site, so we can keep close tabs on the production process and provide high traceability and consistency with our cameras. Finally, image quality is highly dependent on your particular application, and to that end, our camera modules are optimized for many different applications, and customization services are available upon request. Innodisk offers a range of camera modules for smart retail, embedded systems, license plate recognition, vending machines, drones, high-speed inspection, automated guided vehicles, and autonomous mobile robots. Camera module options include USB and MIPI CSI2 interfaces, resolutions ranging from 2 megapixels to 13 megapixels, global shutter, low light support, and wide angle. Innodisk is your one-stop solution for camera modules ready for the rigors of modern AI applications, providing a wide selection of lenses, adjustable image quality, rich camera interface selection, customized MIPI drivers, and proven longevity and reliability.